Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang. Aking mga power bracelets, available po ito sa Shopee at sa TikTok. But most of my power bracelets are available sa Shopee. So, lahat po yan ako yung gumagawa. Meron tayong mga protection bracelets. So, this is a combination of fire agate and lucky red string, which I have been using for more than 4 years na. And then, meron tayong dalawang klase ng obsidian evil eye. We have the smaller version, which is the 6mm bead and the 8mm bead. This is good for warding off negative energies around you. And of course, yung mga evil eye. And then, we have the anti-evil eye bracelet. So, para to sa mga anti-inggit, ganyan, sa paligid nyo. And then, also, we have the selenite evil eye. So, the good thing about this is, multi-purpose na siya. Kini-cleanse na niya yung energies around you. And also, yung mga kasama niyang bracelets, cleansing and recharging as well. So, just like this one. Ayan. And then, we have other bracelets for other intentions and manifestations. So, meron tayong authentic malachite. This is for healing and also attraction of money and transformation. And marami pang iba. Meron din tayong chakra bracelet for balance. And we have the tiger's eye for courage. We have howlite for concentration and focus. We have rose quartz for attraction of love, self-love, and of course, amethyst for intuition, healing. Ayan. Lahat ng bracelet may kasama ng instruction leaflet, extra string, and a cute pouch. Ayan. Meron din ako mga bagong products sa aking shop. Ito yung Intention Oils. It comes with 2 sizes. Meron tayong dropper, which is 15 ml. Meron tayong roll-on na 5 ml. So, you can use this for manifestation ng prosperity and protection. So, while you are doing affirmations. And ito naman, you can, multi-purpose to, pwede mo rin itong gamitin when you are setting intentions. You can put this sa iyong candle if bago ka mag-set ng intention. So, this is for prosperity and protection na. Meron din akong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, these are limited items lang kasi konti lang nagawa ko dahil lahat to ay chinarge ng super full moon nung full moon in Pisces. So now it is available. I think 5 to 7 pieces lang yung available for each. So lahat yan nasa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ay isang timeless money career reading for you. So, pwede itong mag-resonate sa inyo sa past, sa present, or sa future. Panoorin nyo rin yung Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs ninyo para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just the reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin nyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, unahan natin ng money. Ano yung recent past sa money ng mga Cancer? Ooh, the Tower. Maaring meron kayong challenges na pinagdaanan in the recent past when it comes to money. Yung iba nawala ng property or meron kayong kailangang i-give up na property, ari-arian, gamit, no? So, it's somehow devastating for some of you. Yung iba naman, you are still holding on to something na you should be letting go of, na kailangan nyo na i-let go. Can be any material things or pwedeng unhealthy habits pagdating sa pera, no? Na alam nyong destructive sa inyo, hindi nakakatulong. So, yan yung ginawa ninyo sa past, recent past. So, tanong natin yung current energy for you. You have the 5 of Wands. So, pagdating sa pera, pwedeng meron kayong mga nakakaaway or nakakaalitan. Pagdating sa pera, pwedeng merong nagkautang sa inyo na hindi kayo mabayad-bayaran tapos nauuwi siya sa away. Oo. Pag sinisingil. Pwede rin merong person na nag-break ng trust ninyo, ng tiwala ninyo sa kanya pagdating sa pera. And medyo, ayan yung, yung stress na ang tawag dyan, pinagdadaanan ninyo. Oo. Nakakaloka. Five of Wands. Pwedeng nagresulta pa to sa pag-aaway. So, this is your near future. Wow. King of Pentacles. Bumawi. Oh. Alam nyo, Cancer, huwag kayong mag-alala. Kasi in the near future, everything will be alright when it comes to your finances. The King of Pentacles, feminine energy, is a very creative energy na kung saan yung creativity na yon magre-result sa abundance. Ano to yung merong, parang ano tawag doon, Midas touch. Oo. Midas touch is when you do something or try something related sa, creation, meron siyang kasamang good luck and it also brings money. Turning things into gold. So, kung ano man yung situation nyo ngayon sa finances ninyo na talagang medyo challenging for you, don't worry kasi things are going to be better in the future. So, sa inyo namang career, recent past, the Emperor, pwedeng merong nagpahirap sa inyo sa trabaho. Can be your boss. A person in authority na pinasunod-sunod ka lang. Well, ganoon naman talaga mga boss. Parang kailangan sundin mo sila. Someone very controlling. Can be someone feminine. So, tinan natin yung current. 7 of Wands. Uy, palaban ka na. Cancer. Hindi mo nahahayaan na, kontrolin ka no to. Power tripper to Maaring may nagpa-power trip sa trabaho, sa career mo. And, hindi ka na magpapaapi sa kanya. Lalaban ka na. So, tinan natin yung immediate future, near future. O, diba? The Strength card. You have the power, the strength to stand up for yourself. So, maaring yung iba sa inyo, hindi nyo na kukonsintihin yung boss ninyo na pinahihirapan kayo lagi or laging nasa toxic situation kayo. Now, you are stepping out of your comfort zone. Yung iba, magnenegosyo, self-employed. So, let's see your advice. Ano yung advice sa mga Cancer? Justice. Bring balance in your life. This is also truth. Paghahanap ng katotohanan sa gusto nyong i-pursue sa buhay. And I think, anytime soon, you will realize what is best for you. Pagdating sa finances mo, pagdating sa career mo. And you also have the 5 of Swords. I think, ito na yung time na mas magiging competitive ka. Hindi ka na, kasi diba yung mga Cancer, malambot ang puso, madaling maawa. So, yung iba sa inyo, hindi na. Oo, hindi nyo na pairalin masyado yung inyong puso. Mas logical kayo ngayon mag-isip. Mas strategic kayo mag-isip ngayon. At, kumbaga kahit strategic kayo mag-isip, nandun pa rin kayo sa patas na laban. Ayan. So, let's see ano pa. Kuha tayo ng mga oracle cards for you, Cancer. Oo, parang marunong na kayong ngayon dahilan. Magdahilan. Marunong na kayong dumiskarte. Treat yourself with proper care as you achieve your dreams. You are worthy to be loved. Bring out the child in you and enjoy the good things in life. Yes, you're going to nurture yourself. You're going to heal yourself. Altar, a special space to have quiet meditation as you connect to your higher self, and spirit guides are also important in manifesting your dreams. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong private space. It's like an altar kung saan dun kayo nagpe-pray, dun kayo nagsiset ng intentions ninyo, kung ano yung mga gusto nyong i-release, ano yung gusto nyong ma-achieve. You also have connections. Your network is your net worth. So, you are going to increase your connections. Mag-widen yung network mo. So, maaring may mga bago kang friends. You will be connecting to more people. This is also going to help you build your reach Tapos kung saang area of life ka, saang field ka nagwo-work or yung career mo, you are going to grow from there, no? Sa pamamagitan ng mga connections mo. So, that is your reading, Cancer. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Cancer. See you again.